Today, the Freeport Community Library is going to show you how to make your very own washi tape wristbands. You're going to get a grab-and-go kit from the library. Inside it, you're going to have your wooden popsicle stick bracelet, a piece of string, and you will have picked out some washi tape when you were in the library to roll around the little straw. So these are the ones that I chose. Get your materials all laid out, and the first thing you're going to do is tear a small piece of washi tape. You want it to wrap around the front side of the bracelet, and you do not want to cover up the notches at the end. So you want to leave the round part at the end blank. So you want to tear probably about 2 inches. You can cut it if you'd like. So you're going to make it nice and even. And you're going to press it down and then wrap it around the back. And you really want it to be long enough to where they touch each other and overlap and stick to each other on the back side. That'll help it stay. Then you're just going to continue, and you're going to keep ripping or cutting small pieces. And you want to make sure they overlap just a little bit. And again, that'll help everything to stick and stay on your bracelet. If you make something a little too long, you can always rip off that little piece. I'm making an alternating pattern with my 3 colors, but you can make yours however you'd like. Again, you're going to wrap your piece, you're going to overlap it a little bit, and you're going to press it down nice and tight. I'm almost done wrapping my bracelet with the tape. So the same thing on this end, I'm going to go almost to the end with the tape, but I'm going to leave the rounded part and the notch uncovered. So now what you're going to want to do is get your last long piece of tape and you're going to want to press it down on the inside of the bracelet. Take your time getting it nice and lined up. You're going to want to press it nice and smooth, and that's going to cover up all those seams where the little pieces of washi tape are meeting, and it's going to cover them all up and keep them in place. Now what you're going to do is take your string, kind of fold it in half so you've got 2 even pieces, and cut it in half. Then you're going to tie a knot at one end, and you're going to tie a knot at the one end of the other string. Then you're going to slide the string into that little notch on one end of the bracelet. You're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Slide that string into the notch. And now you're going to get a really small piece of washi tape. And you're going to use that on the end of your bracelet to cover up the little notch. You're going to wrap it right around to the back side and press it nice and hard, and you're going to do that, and that's going to keep the string from coming out. You don't have to, but if you'd like, you can kind of fold down where the tape sticks out on the sides, or you can cut it out. Going to do the same thing on the other side, the other end of the bracelet. Going to wrap my little piece of washi tape. I'm going to cut it on the sides. See, that keeps your string in. Now you can either put your bracelet on and tie it, or you can tie it ahead of time and slide it on your wrist, whatever works. And you have your very own washi tape wristband.